Welcome to Cooking with Chemistry. Today we'll be making carne asada tacos, homemade green salsa, and a refreshing Jamaica water. The materials that you will need for the cooking of the meat are kitchen tongs, 2 pounds of skirt steak pre-marinated, and a gas or charcoal grill.
Set half of the burners on a gas grill to the highest heat setting. Cover and preheat for 10 minutes. Then clean and oil the grilling grate. Now place the meat directly over the hot side of the grill. Cook, turning occasionally until the steak is well charred on the outside and the center registers to 110 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer.
The meat has previously been marinated, as you can see. Marinades are typically used to enhance texture for better retention of juices, improve surface browning, tenderizing, and of course flavor. When grilling, we see a combustion reaction taking place because of the gas and oxygen coming into contact.
The Maillard reaction is actually a complex series of simultaneous reactions between amino acids like thiophene and sugars that produces the rich brown color, alongside hundreds of distinct flavor compounds. The amino acids in the steak react with sugary compounds and create a bunch of intermediate compounds.
Steaks are made up of slow-twitch cow muscles in charge of low-intensity, high-endurance movements that are used for long periods of time and used a lot of energy like walking or standing. To compensate, a protein called myoglobin helps store oxygen inside the cells of the muscle for a consistent energy supply. So where does the red color of the raw meat come from? As it turns out, this protein is a very pronounced red pigment. The more myoglobin in the meat, the darker and deeper the red will be. As we throw the meat onto the heat, the bonds of the protein molecules are breaking and the bonded coils are starting to unwind. Here we can see iron atom oxidation taking place where the iron loses an electron, causing a gradual color change which can be classified as a physical change.
At this point, you want to transfer the cooked meat to a bowl and allow it to rest. Next, we'll be making the green salsa, and for it you will need cilantro, garlic, green tomatoes, green chiles, onion, and salt.
First, fill a pot with 2 cups of water and put in the green tomatoes, onion, and chiles and bring it to a boil.
As you bring it to a boil, the water undergoes a phase change from a liquid to a gas called vaporization. As a result, the water molecules absorb more energy, causing them to speed up and collide more often.
For the Jamaica, you will need the following: a pot, Jamaica flowers, water, sugar, and 2 large spoons.
As the ingredients for the salsa are coming to a boil, we will be starting on the Jamaica water. You would first put 3 cups of water into a pot and add 2 cups of dried Jamaica flowers to the water and bring it to a boil. As soon as the water boils, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer.
During this process, there is a physical change present in the Jamaica flower when it changes from a hard texture to a soft one.
We will now be making homemade tortillas. The ingredients are maseca, which is a type of flour, and water.
The instructions for making homemade tortillas are to put the 2 cups of maseca into a bowl, add in the water, and finally, mix and knead together.
The transformation of the flour into dough creates a homogeneous mixture which is uniform throughout.
Going back to the Jamaica water, turn off the heat and carefully pour the Jamaica concentrate into a pitcher and let it cool.
As we let the Jamaica water cool down, we will finish the tortillas by using a tortilla press to get the perfect tortilla, and then placing it onto a hot pan to fully cook.
Following up on the salsa, after letting it cool and draining most of the water, we will then transfer the ingredients to a blender and add in the salt, cilantro, and peeled garlic.
To finish off our beverage, fill the pitcher with cool water, add the sugar, and mix until dissolved.
Additionally, by adding water to the concentrate, we are diluting the solution, making it less acidic.
One eternity later.
Oh, crap.
And then bent on the side.
Take it out. Take it out.
Get it out. Yes!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Take that one out so we can put the perfect one. Take a video.
Stop!
No.
Yes!